this video you will learn how to install the PHP CodeIgniter framework. CodeIgniter is an easy to install framework as compared to other PHP frameworks. Go to google.com, search for the word CodeIgniter. Go to codeigniter.com, click on download. Download the package in zip format. Log in to cPanel. Open File Manager. Upload the zip package. Unzip the package. Move all files and folders to the root folder. Congratulations! Installation is done. Open the installation link. The default controller name is welcome.php. The corresponding view file is welcome_message.php. Open the view file. Delete everything and write "Hello World." Refresh the page. You will see the change. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get new video updates.